Want to keep your early 2000s car running smoothly? Start with regular oil changes every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. This keeps the engine healthy. Check your tire pressure monthly. Underinflated tires can decrease fuel efficiency and safety. Don't overlook your brakes. Listen for any unusual sounds and replace the pads if they start to squeak. Keep an eye on the fluid levels. Coolant, brake fluid and transmission fluid should be topped off as needed. Wash your car regularly to prevent rust and corrosion, especially if you live in an area with road salt. Pay attention to the battery. Clean the terminals and check for corrosion to ensure a strong connection. Replace air filters every 15,000 to 30,000 miles for optimal performance, aligning with the manufacturer's recommendations. Lastly, stay updated on your car's electrical system. Early 2000s vehicles can have quirky electrical issues. Monitor your lights and dashboard alerts closely. Follow these maintenance tips and your car will thank you with reliable performance. Make sure to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.